Hey buddy, let's be honest. Ever wonder why your wallet's empty at the end of every month? Managing money sucks, but here is the good news. You don't have to figure it out alone. ChatGPT can actually help you build a budget, plan savings, and even deal with debt. Today I will show you the basics of personal finance, but with an AI twist that makes the whole process easier, faster, and way less painful. Monthly budgeting. Here is where the most people start. Chaos. You have got rent, groceries, random subscriptions, coffee runs, and suddenly the end of the month hits and you are like, where did my money even go? This lack of structure is what keeps people broke and stressed. Here is my prompt. Create a monthly budget for someone earning 2,000 and 1,500 after tax with 800 rent, 200 utilities and 400 groceries, 300 transport and 150 subscriptions. Look at this transformation. Instead of random numbers flying everywhere, ChatGPT organizes your life into neat categories: housing, food, transport, even a little fun money. And here is the best part. It actually suggests how much you can save while still enjoying your life. No more guilt, just clarity. Categorizing expenses. This one hurts. You look at your bank statement and it's a mess. Starbucks here, Uber there, Netflix, groceries, rent. No pattern, no insight. You can't improve what you can see. And right now, all you see is spaghetti numbers. For easier understanding, I will use just a few short examples, but you will still see the difference. Categorize the following expenses into housing, food, transport, entertainment, and savings. Your job is only to paste your transactions here. Suddenly, it all makes sense. ChatGPT takes the spaghetti mess and sorts it into clear categories. ChatGPT could help you realize your coffee habit is slowly draining your budget, your entertainment is double what you thought, and your food budget is actually pretty solid, and so on. That's power, because once you see it, you can change it. Savings goal planning. This is a classic. You dream of a vacation, or maybe a new laptop, or just having an emergency cushion. But then life happens, months fly by, and you have saved exactly zero. No wonder it feels impossible. Help me save $3,000 in 12 months for a vacation. ChatGPT turns that impossible dream into a step-by-step plan. It shows you save 250 a month or 125 every 2 weeks. Open a separate vacation account, set automatic transfers, and forget about it. Cut a few small things, like takeout, subscriptions, or impulse buys, and you will easily find the money. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and watch your trip fund grow. It even throws in fun challenges like no-spend weekends so you can speed it up. That's how motivation becomes momentum. Debt. The word alone makes people freeze. 2 credit cards, different balances, scary interest rates. You know you need a plan, but which card do you hit first? Without strategy, you either pay random amounts or ignore it until it gets worse. Suggest a repayment plan using the debt snowball and debt avalanche method for these 2 credit cards. ChatGPT explains it like a coach. Snowball method gives you a quick win. Pay off the smaller $1,000 card first. Avalanche saves you more money long term. Tackle the $2,000 card at 22% interest. It breaks down the pros and cons so you don't just guess. You pick the method that fits your personality, whether you are motivated by quick wins or by saving money. Emergency fund and unexpected costs. This one stings. Your budget looks perfect on paper, then boom, life hits you with a 500 car repair. Suddenly, your perfect spreadsheet is worthless and you are back in panic mode. Adjust this budget to include a $500 monthly emergency fund contribution. Boom! ChatGPT doesn't panic. It just reshuffles the budget. It trims non-essentials and makes room for an emergency fund. That way, the next time life throws you a curveball, you are not scrambling. You are ready. Simple saving strategies. Here is the problem. You pay bills, spend a little, and suddenly there is nothing left to save. It feels like saving is for rich people, not for you. But that's just because you don't have a framework. Explain the 50-30-20 budgeting rule with an example for $3,000 income. ChatGPT gives you the framework 50, 30, 20. Needs, wants, savings. On a $3,000 income, that's $1,500 to cover needs, $900 for wants, $600 straight into savings. Even better, you can tweak it. Maybe you want a 25% savings, or maybe housing costs more where you live. AI helps you adjust, but the principle stays simple. Tracking financial habits. This one's is sneaky. You don't even feel like you are overspending, but 2 weeks into the month, you are broke and wondering what happened. It's death by 1,000 small swipes. Give me daily tips to track spending and build better financial habits. ChatGPT acts like your personal finance buddy. It gives you small daily tips. Log your expenses, set alerts, do a weekly reflection. It's like having someone tap you on the shoulder, reminding you to stay on track. The difference is this buddy doesn't get tired of nagging you. You see, personal finance is not a big deal with ChatGPT. You can budget smarter, save faster, and finally feel in control of your money. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more AI-powered life hacks. And remember, don't figure it out. There is always a way out.